Okay, Pad 2B, Steve Jurvitson's Zoox Assault on an Aerotech K250. It's a long burn motor. 3, 2, 1. Smoke.
Well, that's interesting. We'll see if we can find it with the RF tracker. It went up and over that way, but we didn't have a clear parachute event, which is disturbing. So hopefully the second parachute, the main, went at 1,000 feet for the computer program. Well, we hope. We'll see. And here we found the rocket. Believe it or not, this orange canopy stayed up. The rocket is like way over there and you wouldn't see it. By the way, this is what it is in all directions. There's my sun with the RF tracking beacon in the distance. That's as close as we can get in terms of a read, meaning we knew it was somewhere here in this field, which extends as far as the eye can see. Oh, and as high as my waist in every direction. Oh, this is, by the way, kind of cool, my badge. Anyway, thank God that this landed in the canopy because it was very visible. Okay, here we go. So look what we found. We found a rocket. It looks like the fins are intact and should be ready to fly again. It's crazy that these tiny 3D printed fins stayed stable. Duct tape to hold them on or help make them more stable than they would have been. Alrighty.